Hey guys, what's up? Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, sat sri akal, wanakam, and a very warm welcome to everybody. This is Mubin, and you're watching SMS Technical. Long time no see, we are back after a long time, and we are here with one more product. We are gonna unbox this product and get the details of it. So here we have the not so smartwatch, and here we have the smartwatch. We'll dig into it and we'll get the details and we'll see how it works. So before going there, I'd like to thank all my subscribers and all my viewers and all the viewers who have not subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can be motivated to make more such videos. And that's it. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, we are here and this is our box. Let's unbox it and get it out. Okay. So this is the unboxing of this Colorfit caliber. So these are some of the leaflets that we get with this, and some speakers, and here we have the device itself, the noise Colorfit caliber. The first impression that I have here is the strap seems like a cheap quality plastic material. That is the first thing. The smartwatch, that is the device itself, apart from the strap, looks pretty sturdy here and well built. And here, after we peel off, you can check the screen. So it has a decent bezel there. If you can see, I'll just try to focus it. I will show you the bezel. The screen is there, pretty decent screen, pretty good build that we can say. As mentioned, the strap seems like a cheap quality plastic material. These are the sensors, the heart rate sensor and the IR and other sensors that we get on the flip side. Yep, the brand name on the straps. So apart from the device, surely we'll get this charging cable, and this is where the charging happens, the connectors and the pretty much sure that's it. And one more booklet regarding the product. Okay, so that was it about the product and its unboxing. So let's try and boot it up. So almost 3 to 5 seconds of long press would boot this device up, and it is asking us to pair, and it is showing device info, as you can see. So this is a device and it will ask us to pair with the app. So what we'll do, we'll just try to go to our scanner and then we'll scan this. Okay, scanning. So it will take us to the website and it will give us the app installation page. So by the time the app is installed, we'll just try to understand what all features are included in this device. So here we can see it has 1.6 inch TFT touchscreen, and then it can check the body temperature, it can monitor the heart rate, it can also monitor the blood oxygen, and there is quick reply for calls and SMS, and it has 60 sports mode and 15-day battery life, mostly as we can assume it would be a standby time, and IP68 waterproof, that is the standard for waterproofing, and it also has the stress monitor. So it mentioned as designed in India, #1 wearable watch for the year 2020, the year we all have faced this pandemic there. So so we have installed the app. We'll just go and open the app and we'll do the needful there. We'll do the steps and then we'll be coming back. So it is pairing the app here. Okay, so it is asking us to pair the app, as you can see. So we'll click on yes, start using. So here you can see the first boot up here. it shows us the time, and there we have the activity. Here we have the heart rate monitor, tap to measure. So I think I'll just put my hand here. It can be the sensors there. I have just put my finger there and we'll just try to check the heart rate. It is calculated. So here it says 93, 94. I think that would be correct, because I have been walking up and down and making these videos and all. So I think somewhere around 80 to 90, that might be the correct answer. Okay, going back, stress monitor, let's just check how. Okay, so it asks us 1 finger distance from this. We'll just keep it there and we'll check if I'm stressed while making this video. Okay, measuring. I hope this comes out good, because I don't want to be stressed while making this video. So it's taking a pretty decent amount of time. Let's check. Let's wait for 1 more minute. As this is the first boot, we also don't know how much amount of time it takes. Okay, so here it says stress, that is max 37, min 37. That is, I think that is the history of this device, and it is a normal range. Okay, so thank God I am not stressed that much while making this video. Breathe. Music. Oh, music, we can also connect to music. So here we have this app, and you can check the app as well later on. Music, and that's it. Okay, activity, and here we have Bluetooth, and it can be used as a torch as well. Okay, so the swiping option gives us the ability to go back and forth. Do not disturb mode is also there. Find my phone, so it will find your phone as you checked. Stop. See, so it is ringing our phone. The notification ringtone is popped so that we can hear. And here we have this turn on the power saving mode. Will not get notifications, so if you don't have much battery, then you can use this power saving mode. Cancel. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay, so pressing the power button or the watch button, and we can see the watch faces whatever we want. So this one looks pretty good. Yeah. So most probably that's it about this device, how it works, what are the features, and it has a pretty decent the screen off time, so that it gives you a decent amount of battery as well. So this breathe, that is one of the option that we have. We'll just try to check and use that as well before we end this video. So we'll just start. Be still and take a few deep breaths, okay? You can see the breath monitor, and you can see exercise 90 breaths per minute, as we also check the beats per minute. So it is almost the same. I think this is useful when we are doing our exercise or our sports mode. We have to check on our beats per minute and their breathing, and we can accordingly increase or decrease our intensity of the exercises. So pretty much decent device, really helpful for youngsters as well as for old people to just to monitor their breathing, their stress, their oxygen, as because most of us faced a lot of problem during the pandemic because of the corona. The oxygen level falls down, so this would be a pretty good device for us to use and keep a check on our health. So yeah, that's a pretty good device. If you all like the device, just go to the description. So here we when we click on this home button, that is the power button, we have the settings, and we can scroll up and we can go to settings, and there we can see rise to wake and auto screen off, that is 5 seconds. We can increase it, we can decrease it according to our requirement, and that will save or utilize more of our battery. We can also choose the brightness level. I think to increase it, yeah, we'll have to just tap on it. It gets increased. Let me just try to zoom it and make it more clear. Yeah, okay, so if you can tap here, so you can check. So the brightness increases and decreases. We'll go back and we'll check the vibration level. So we have 3 levels. So we'll just keep as it was. And then we have this option, and we have this information as we checked during the boot up. We go back, we have this DMD, then we have this QR, we have reset, reboot, power. So all these settings, and then we have health, where we'll check the SPO2, that is the oxygen level, the heart rate, and the temperature. And we haven't checked, so we don't have any there. We have the clock, we have smart stopwatch, world clock, timer, alarm is also there. And in the workout, we can see we have running, sports, indoor sports, cycling, snow sports, ball games, dance. So these are the 60 sport modes. And then we have the weather. Connect to the app, so we'll check, we'll get the weather update according to the location. And yeah, music, breathe, reminders are also there. Flashlight, as explained earlier, flashlight is also there. Yeah, so that's it about this device. And then as you can see, 28 steps, 1 kilocalorie burned. And that's it. Okay, so this would be a pretty good device for us to use and keep a check on our health. So yeah, that's a pretty good device. If you all like the device, just go to the description box and you can find the link for its purchase. And yeah, that's it for today. See you all in the next video. Take care, bye bye, and have a very wonderful day ahead.